In this video, let me show you how to open MAE Maybank account Malaysia. Now, in order to do this, make sure you download the application of Maybank onto your device. And once the application has been downloaded on the screen, you should be able to see a few options. In order to create a bank account, you just simply need to head over to the option which says Open a account online. Now, it is also going to ask you to create a wallet if you want, but if you don't want to create a wallet first of all, you can simply head over to the Maybank account option and then simply tap on open account. Now there are going to be different types of account that you can create. Simply scroll down to it and then simply pick the account that you're trying to create. Differs slightly depending upon the type of account that you selected, but all in all, you just need to provide your information such as your ID type. So mainly it is going to be the MyCat or your passport. If you are a foreigner, make sure you fill in your card information or your passport information. And then once everything is complete and once you have submitted your document, the last thing that you need to do is create your username and password. Once everything is set up, your account should be available within 28 to 48 hours. So this is the exact steps that you need to follow. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.